was in service in Rosemary Lane. Won the goodwill of my master, and did I, till a sailor came there one night to lay, and that was the beginning of my misery. They called for a candle, light him to bed, till likewise a silk handkerchief to tie up his head, to tie up his head as sailors will do. Said, my pretty Polly, will you come too? Now this may be a foolish, she thought it no harm, for the line to bed to keep herself warm. What was done there I'll never disclose, but I wish that short night had been 7 long years. Next morning the sailor so early arose, into my apron began his dear throat, saying this I will give him, more I will do, if you be my Polly wherever I go. If it's a war, fight for the king. If it's a girl, she'll wear a gold ring, wear a gold ring and dress all aflame. Remember my service in Rosemary Lane. When I was in service in Rosemary Lane, won the goodwill of my master, and did I, till the sailor came there one night too, and that was the beginning